Hi, my name is Matthew Quist and I work for Southwest Airlines as a customer service agent. I retired from the Milwaukee Police and wanted to get my foot in the door at this great company, but I always had my sights set on becoming an investigator in the corporate security department. I have a wealth of investigative experience. I was a police officer for 7 years, and then I was promoted to the rank of detective, where I served in that role for 20 years. During those 20 years, I worked in all the specialized divisions detectives are assigned, such as homicide, sexual assault, and white-collar crimes. I was also chosen and trained to be a polygraph examiner and crisis hostage negotiator because I'm bilingual in Spanish. I have a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. I'm finishing my master's degree in psychology. I have an extremely long curriculum vitae that I'd love for you to see. You can see my online CV at www.visualcv.com/Matthew Quist and learn more about me at matthewquist.xyz. I have the right combination of experience, education, and training to be an outstanding corporate security investigator at Southwest. Thank you for your time.